York shortstop Asdurbal Cabrera and referee Bill Welke picked up some pieces between innings after the Mets left Cespedes out of the game to finish the inning. This is the reason why, children, they do not take anything to the baseball stadium. The stadiums are great places with lots of people where sometimes unimaginable things happen, like a foul ball that flies into your face or a fielder who slips a tag that catches and breaks your diamond chain. This happened last year too, to Houston pitcher Lance McCullers. His chain of black diamonds did not work in the middle of the American League Championship Series at Yankee Stadium. He spent a review of the replica digging in the dirt on the back of the mound to find the gems. The official baseball rules do not mention jewels, and major leagues do not restrict their use. It is common to see players wearing chains of necklaces or earrings for religious or stylistic reasons. The rulebook simply prohibits polished metal or glass buttons that can reflect light in the eyes of gardeners or officials.